Hi everyone, Zormar here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my go-to summer dresses. I'm going to pack these for all my travels that are in the pipeline between now and the fall. I've had some of these dresses for quite some time, but they're still in stock, and others are brand new. I'm gonna give you discount codes for a few of these beauties. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below, and while you're on there, you're gonna find a link to my Facebook group where daily I share discount codes, sale alerts, restock alerts, and new collection gossip. I hope you join me on there. Links to my Instagram accounts. I have two, one dedicated to travel and one to personal style. If you're active on the platform, please stop by and say hi. If you enjoyed watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Now let's try some dresses. You're gonna see a lot of these sandals on my social media channels this summer. They might be my new favorite pairs. I love the colors, I love the design. They are by a brand called Poppy Barley based in Canada. They are certified B Corp. The inside here, the insole, it's a thick memory foam and it is so comfortable. It feels like you're walking on a cloud. Additionally, the leather on top is also really soft. It would not require any break-ins and it won't give you any blisters. These sandals are perfect for exploring this summer, and they also happen to look really cute as well. Summer is the perfect time to play with color. I got these two bags from Portland Leather. This one comes in two sizes. I got the larger one. The purple will match so well with the purple sandals I just showed you. For the bucket, I went with the smaller size, but it is also available in larger design if that accommodates your lifestyle better. Great quality, and Portland Leather constantly runs promotions that you can get these bags at a great discount. I don't leave for any hot weather destination without packing at least one of my daughters of India dresses. This design is my favorite. It is the Kira midi length. I have it in several colors. I wear size extra small. If you're Sezane European size 34 or 36, you will fit in the extra small as well. Feel free to consult their size chart on the website. I find it pretty helpful. This dress is perfect for any summer activity. I've also seen ladies buy these for their pregnancies because they're so comfortable, and you can wear it for a pregnancy photo shoot and then continue wearing it once your baby arrives. So it's really functional, really versatile, so lightweight, it feels like you're not wearing anything. My top is also from Daughters of India. It comes in several colors. Their tops are really fun. They sell out really quickly. I have a discount code for the brand, so if you've been thinking about acquiring one of Daughters of India dresses, I would say shop with confidence and enjoy the discount. I can't pack for summer without including a few of my Sezane favorites. This is the Kim dress. Obsessed with the neckline. I love how wide the arm openings are. It is an A-line mini dress. It is a good length mini. It is not extra short, which I appreciate. I think a mini wide dress for summer is a no-brainer. You can wear it in so many different situations. And because of the gorgeous neckline, I think you can dress this one up with a heel or wear it with flats and look fabulous. And of course, the Sezane Dorota dress from the Farm Rio collaboration. I won't be going anywhere without it. I feel like because of the darker background of the pattern, you can easily elevate this one for a night out with heels. And again, if you want to wear it during the day, you can wear it with a wide brim straw hat and flat sandals, a basket bag. I love that the pattern is kind of like a take of those lemon patterns you see in south of Italy, but instead of lemons, it's using cacao nibs. A brand that I always recommend for their gorgeous cotton block print pieces is Mirth. I have few of their blouses. For the summer, I wanted to get at least one of their dresses, and this is my choice, is the Capri dress. You can wear it off shoulder, you can wear the shoulders up. It comes with a belt, so you can tie the waist and cinch it, or you can wear it without a belt and just have that loose comfort. The dress is really lightweight, really flowy, and I can't wait to wear it in the south of France. This piece right here is so fun. I really love the fruit pattern. It's by American Vintage. It's really lightweight. It's midi approaching to maxi length. It has a low cut back, and I can imagine myself wearing it in the south of France with a big basket, and I'll go to the farmer's market, get some cheese, get some fruit, have a picnic somewhere, a glass of wine. It's just the type of dress that is casual, playful, and really, really comfortable. This dress is made by a small New York label called Rejouta Seth. It's a label that's committed to making their clothes with sustainable practices. They use natural fibers. I got this dress because I can't wait to pair it with the purple sandals and the purple bag, and hopefully get to run through the lavender fields in it. The dress has pockets. Actually, all of the dress I've tried by this label have pockets. You can tell that these clothes are made by a woman for women. This is another Rejouta Seth dress that I got earlier this summer. It's really easy and comfortable, playful. I love that the colors they've used for the green and pink and yellow, they're not your usual shades of those colors, which makes the piece a bit more unique. You have adjustable waist, pockets, and the seam down here is not straight, it's arched, which I thought was a really cute detail. Summer is the perfect season for wearing yellow. This midi dress is by a brand called Cleobella. I featured them before on my Instagram. I have two of their mini dresses. This is my first midi from them. I absolutely love it. It's size extra small. I love the detail that is a ruffle over the shoulder. I think it balances really nicely with the tiered skirt. Again, this dress in the south of France, running through the lavender fields, is a picture that I cannot wait to take. This summer I'm trying Doen dresses. I've had few of their tops for a while, but I've been curious for the dresses because they have a slight cottagecore aesthetic to them, and part of my trip is to the British countryside. I'm going to the Cotswolds, which will pair really well with a cottagecore inspired dress. I didn't buy the dresses from the Doen website. Instead, I went with Net-a-Porter, and that is because Doen doesn't offer free shipping, and also I've heard that their processing times sometimes are very slow, versus Net-a-Porter is really efficient. They give you free delivery and free returns. You can even schedule the return to be picked up from your house. Really convenient. I wasn't sure about the sizes. I placed multiple orders, and I'm really happy with how everything went. I had set a maximum of 2 dresses. I was like, I'm only buying 2. And at the end, I decided to keep the blue plaid dress because I thought it will go so well with the British countryside. I think the blue will really pop. And I decided to keep the red dress with the mid-length sleeve because, again, the color is really striking. It will photograph really well. Additionally, this dress was 50% off. It still is. Link is in the description box below, and it will transition really easily to fall. I can style it with boots and a jacket, so I would extend the wear of the dress quite a bit. Alright everyone, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of today's selection, which dresses are your favorite. I want to know. If you enjoyed watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. And don't forget to join me on Facebook and Instagram. Links are in the description box below. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.